BigCartel. Is it good enough to create your websites and online stores? Let's take a look. So first off, you're going to get started and log on to bigcartel.com and you're going to create your account. So on the top right, you're going to click on sign up, and then you can see they have 3 programs. You're going to sign up for free and get started. So over here, you're going to put in your personal details and you can just get started. I'll get back to you guys in a minute once I fill in this form. So once you've entered your email and whatever kind of suggested password or your personal password, you're going to put in your shop name. And once you put in your shop name, BigCartel is actually going to tell you if the URL for that is available. So let's just say if I want to create my shop name to be Lovely Letters, and this URL is available. So Lovely Letters is taken, but Lovely Letter is available, and I'm just going to sign up. Once you have signed up for bigcartel.com, you can see this is going to be your basic dashboard. And over here, you can see on the top, you have your menu bar basically, and you can see your orders, products, discounts, and account details from here. So with getting started, you're going to add your location for tax purposes, your shipping details, your personal details. For that purpose, you're going to add your location, and over here you can add your catalog. So let's take a look at the products, and you can import your products, and just like this, you're going to click on add products. You can add a product name. Let's just say we're saying it is a custom letter, and add value to your moments with our custom decorated letters. And then you're going to add a category, so you can first create a bunch of categories. So if you're selling clothing, you can make your categories like tops, bottoms, jackets, intimates, and so on and so forth. I'm just not going to create a category right now, and I'm gonna mark the status of my item. So if my item is currently about to be launched, if it's sold out, if it is just something in the works so I can hide it, or if it is an active item, I'm gonna list it as an active item. Now I'm going to add the price, so let's just make it 10. And now you can even create it on sale, so this is going to be on sale. And now I'm just going to add a name. You can add your shipping details and your tax codes, and then you're just going to save this and your new product will be created. So I'm just going to add my country and shipping details. So over here you can see I've created this product, and also if you're offering coupon codes or influencer codes, you can add a discount using this when a customer spends a certain amount. So if someone is spending over like $100 on your store, you can give them a flat percentage discount, a flat rate discount, or a free shipping discount. So I'm just going to give free shipping on their entire item starting now, and it expires never. So you're just going to save that, and this discount will expire on the 27th. So because I haven't created any product categories right now, it's not enabling me to create this discount, but this is just how it goes. I'm going to move on and show you the rest of the details on my cartel. So once you've added your product list, over here you can set up your shipping address and from how you are going to ship and where your products are going to come for, what kind of delivery service you're going to be using, whether it's going to be UPS, FedEx, or whatever kind of delivery service you're using. And you can set up default shipping rates. So a standard shipping could cost your customers $10 and so on and so forth. Next up on your dashboard, you are going to click on design your shop. So over here you can see there are themes available that you can apply to your shop. You can select them from over here, or you can customize it entirely according to your personal needs. So I'm just going to use this theme because I like it. It looks kind of pretty, just as a sample for you guys, like this. And now I'm going to go in settings and drop a header logo. Actually, I'm going to drop a welcome image over here. So as you guys can see, my image has been uploaded, and now I can see it as the welcome image. As soon as you reach the website, you're gonna publish this, So it gets saved, and now these changes are visible on your shop. This is how easy it is to design your website using BigCartel. And this is just the free version of BigCartel, so it does have a bunch of features for you, but there are some limitations, which include a really big limitation that the free version of BigCartel has, that it doesn't provide that great of analytics, and you don't have Google Analytics either, so you can't use that. For that, you will have to pay for BigCartel, but you can still create your free online e-commerce store using BigCartel. So returning back to your dashboard over here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see launch your shop. So you're going to click on that. And over here, you can preview your shop first or just launch it. I'm just going to launch it to show you guys how quick and easy it is to get started. And now you have launched your shop. So this is your shop's link. I'm just going to copy this. Done. So over here, you're going to get your basic analytics. And right now I have none because we haven't sold any products. But moving on to our account, I'm going to show you guys the website. You're just going to click on your shop, and then here we have it. Our website has been launched. It's functional. You can shop. You can click on the item that you created, and just like that, you're going to add it, view your bag, and then you can check out. And right now, because I haven't set up payment methods and shipment methods, we can't really order right now. But once you've ordered, you can see them over here in the orders tab of the basic menu, and you don't have any orders yet, and your products can also be bulk edited, which is a very great feature provided by BigCartel. So over here you can see enable bulk editing, and you have to upgrade for this feature, but it's pretty necessary if you're running a large business. So I would recommend buying a premium plan on BigCartel if you want these premium features. So what's the summary? Is BigCartel.com really good enough to create your website and host your online store? Well, BigCartel provides free SSL certificates with each of its domains, so that's pretty good, and it has good hosting performance. Even though you might not be able to find a lot of details about it, it's still pretty well run, and your website won't really crash even if you have like a medium-sized clientele. They have easy and cheap plans. The interface is very easy to learn, as you guys just saw, and the themes are very pretty. But here are some of the downsides. So as you can see, that they have very limited features, and there's not a lot of detail that is put into the basic menu at all. Also, there are no SEO tools, and there's only email support. So if you have a question, you will only have to ask that using email. They're not really scalable much, and they have a general lack of information, because even now you can see this basic page is very empty in terms of all the different kinds of details that could be provided. But for a beginner, I think BigCartel is a great choice. If you want a free website, it is a great choice. But if you're paying for it, there might be better options like Shopify if you want to create a premium kind of website. So that was it for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.